This is David Talbot. I'm CTO of WorkMover, and this is the app for anyone who does work away from the office, offline. They may be, doing nursing visits with home health care. They may be repairing oil rigs, anything when you're away from the office and you want to do a complicated task on a tablet. Okay. And so basically, you have your own tablet to take with you. Before you leave the office, you load all the work orders for the day onto the tablet. Okay. When you're at the job site, you have all the tasks you have to do. You check off the tasks you're done, take photographs, get signatures, and then you complete the whole project on the task, even if you don't have internet access. Okay, and then after you get finished, you come back to the office or to a place with internet access like Starbucks, and you synchronize everything back into Caspio. So the best thing is that we have absolutely flexible data elements. All the data elements that come up on the tablet, the things you have to do, the photos you have to take, the signatures you have to get, all those are user definable in the Caspio data maintenance. Okay, so no programming required to set up any different type of task, be it oil rigs or assisted living help for an old person. So the way it works is that you set up in Caspio a superset of all the questions and answers and things you will need to do to complete all the tasks in the company, and then you select for a particular work order type those items you need just for this work order type. It's all done in Caspio data maintenance. So before you leave the office, you sign onto your tablet or phone, you see the work orders that are assigned to you, and you decide which ones you're going to do right now, and you load them onto the tablet. And you leave the office, get to the job site. When you're in the job site, you open up the tablet, open up the work order, and you see all the questions and answers that you're supposed to do. So you go through, answer all the questions and answers, and you've got a lot of extra capability here because some sections are not applicable or whatever. But the big thing is you can take unlimited photographs, okay, and then you can get signatures and get payments as well, okay. And so this example on the tablet of the photos you have. So when you finish with work and you get back to the office or you get back to where you have internet access, you just synchronize everything back. Okay? And we run all the synchronization from the tablet little database. We have SQLite is on every tablet and phone. Okay, we do a little bit of throttling here just to make sure that we are getting proper data integrity, and then we update everything into the Caspio database because Caspio is the system of record. And so you're now in Caspio, you look at what you've just done, and you have the questions and answers here, you have pictures here, you have signature block here, and you're all done. Okay, and so this is the permanent Caspio record. So what we have capability. This works great if you've got great internet access. If you've got poor internet access, it works great. And if you've got no internet access, it works great as well. So, and a lot of the time when you're remote, you just don't have very good or no internet access. So you have offline capability. The forms, you don't have to do programming to set up the forms. The forms are all user definable in Caspio data maintenance, okay? When you get to the field, everything is quick because you're just working on your own tablet. You're not trying to, load videos back to over the internet. It's all real quick on the tablet, okay? And then you got reliable synchronization back to Caspio. So this is the perfect app for remote workers. So thanks very much. Bye-bye.